So what I really, really love about Authentic Beauty Concept is that we're part of a community. We're starting to be bigger and bigger and bigger, and everyone has the same values and the same beliefs. You feel that we have the same kind of energy and the same thoughts and the same goals, and it's so nice from Authentic Beauty Concept that it also gives us the chance as hairdressers to also tell ideas and to see how we can do collaborations, and that, you know, the brand really makes efforts for us as advocates to be on stage, to work with like a Suki Waterhouse and with the Peggy Goo and with Camille Razat. I mean, it also is for us really nice to work with people like that, and we get the chance to do that, but also helping other people. And yeah, I do really believe that we have a great opportunity to grow really, really wide and big, especially in the times we're living in, that people are only rushing, but also are more conscious and also more sustainable. I mean, this is like the perfect product for where we are living in the moment now.